What if the date you were born isn't just a random number, but a powerful clue to your future? Imagine if your birthday could point you toward wealth, abundance, and success. Wouldn't you want to know how? Today, we're uncovering the fascinating connection between birth dates and future potential, inspired by the wisdom of Buddhist teachings. It's not about predicting the future with certainty, but exploring how ancient insights can guide us to unlock our greatest potential. By the end of this video, you'll learn why some dates are believed to carry special energy for prosperity, and how you can use this knowledge to shape your path to success. So, whether you're curious, skeptical, or just excited to explore, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Why birth dates matter in Buddhist teachings. Throughout history, people have turned to ancient teachings and philosophies to find meaning in their lives. Among these, Buddhist teachings stand out for their profound insights into human potential and the interconnectedness of life. But how does this connect to something as specific as your birth date? In many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism, certain dates are believed to carry unique energies. These aren't just superstitions, they're rooted in the idea that timing, much like nature's rhythms, plays a role in shaping opportunities. Think about the phases of the moon or the cycles of the seasons. Just as farmers plant crops at the right time for a successful harvest, some believe our birth dates align with energies that can influence our life paths. For example, Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of mindfulness and awareness of time, not just in the present moment, but in how we view our lives as a whole. The idea isn't to rely on fate, but to recognize patterns and make conscious choices that align with our highest potential. This is where numerology and ancient wisdom converge. By examining your birth date through this lens, you might uncover patterns that inspire self-reflection and action. And while this approach doesn't guarantee success, it offers a fresh perspective on understanding your strengths, challenges, and opportunities. Ready to dive into what your birth date might reveal about your future? Let's explore step by step how these insights can guide you towards success. Your birth date and its secrets. Let's uncover how your birth date might be a blueprint for your future potential. We'll explore step by step how the day, month, and year of your birth can inspire insights about your path to success. 1. The day of the month, your personal energy. Your birth date, the specific day of the month you were born, is often associated with your unique strengths and challenges. For example, born on the 1st, 10th, or 28th. These dates are often linked to leadership and independence. You're naturally drawn to taking charge and creating opportunities. Born on the 7th, 16th, or 25th. These dates reflect deep thinkers. You might have a strong connection to intuition and creativity, perfect for finding innovative ways to succeed. Born on the 15th, 24th, or 30th. These numbers are connected to charm and communication. You could thrive in fields that involve influencing others, like business or public speaking. Think about your own date. Does it resonate with your personality or the challenges you've faced? The key is to embrace your strengths and use them to overcome obstacles. 2. The month, the season of your life. The month you were born might symbolize the environment in which you thrive. Just as the seasons change, each month carries its own energy. January to March. These months are often associated with renewal and ambition. If you were born during this time, you may have a natural drive to set goals and pursue them. April to June. Born during spring? This could mean you're drawn to growth and fresh starts, making you adaptable and full of energy. July to September. These months are tied to reflection and refinement. You might find that you're best at perfecting ideas and bringing them to fruition. October to December. The year's final months often symbolize closure and preparation. You might excel in long-term planning and seeing projects through to completion. Your birth month may reflect the qualities you naturally bring to your work and relationships. Reflect on how these seasonal patterns align with your own journey. 3. The year, your generational influence. The year you were born connects you to broader generational trends. In Buddhism, understanding the collective energy of your generation can help you better navigate life. For instance, if you were born in the late 20th century, you might resonate with the values of adaptability and innovation, qualities that are key to modern success. Those born in earlier decades may find strength in discipline and perseverance, traits that have timeless relevance. Consider how the cultural and historical context of your birth year shaped your outlook on life. Are you someone who thrives on change, or do you find comfort in tradition? 4. Combining the numbers, the path to balance. When you combine the day, month, and year of your birth, you create a unique map of your life. For example, someone born on July 16, 1990, might combine the reflective qualities of summer, the deep intuition of the 16th, and the generational adaptability of the 1990s. This could indicate a person who succeeds by blending insight with action. Another person born on December 3, 1985, might mix the strategic energy of winter, the ambition of the third, and the resilience of the 1980s, a powerful combination for overcoming challenges. Take a moment to calculate your own birth date patterns. What story does it tell about you? Real talk. The role of effort and choice. While it's fascinating to explore how your birth date may reflect certain energies or traits, it's important to ground this concept in realism. Success doesn't come automatically, no matter what the numbers say. It requires effort, discipline, and a willingness to grow. Buddhist teachings remind us that external influences, like birth dates, are only a part of the equation. True transformation begins with our actions and mindset. Even if you resonate deeply with the insights about your birth date, here are a few challenges to keep in mind. 1. Avoid over-reliance on the concept. While it's intriguing to see patterns, remember that they are tools for self-reflection, not definitive answers. Over-relying on these ideas can lead to complacency. Instead, use them as a guide to identify areas where you can grow. 2. Success is not a straight line. Buddhism teaches us about impermanence. Life is full of ups and downs. Even if your birth date is believed to hold strong potential, you'll still face challenges. The key is to approach these moments with resilience and adaptability. For example, if your birth date aligns with leadership, it's essential to refine your skills and practice humility to succeed. If creativity is your strength, you'll need discipline to turn ideas into action. 3. Effort always wins over luck. Buddhist philosophy emphasizes karma, the idea that our actions create the outcomes we experience. No birth date, no matter how auspicious, can replace hard work and dedication. Success comes from consistent effort, learning from failures, and staying committed to your goals. 4. Recognize the bigger picture. While your birth date may provide insights, it's also crucial to consider the environment, relationships, and opportunities around you. Your choices play a more significant role than any number ever could. By balancing these spiritual insights with practical effort, you can create a path to success that feels both guided and earned. Conclusion: your destiny is in your hands. So what does your birth date really mean for your future? It's a starting point, a lens through which you can better understand yourself, your strengths, and your potential challenges. But remember, it's not a prophecy, it's a tool to inspire self-reflection and action. Buddhist teachings emphasize that you are the ultimate architect of your destiny. Your birth date may point to certain energies or opportunities, but it's your choices, habits, and mindset that will define your journey. Think of it as a treasure map. The clues are there, but it's up to you to take the steps to uncover the gold. Here's what you can do starting today. Reflect on the traits and patterns associated with your birth date. How can you use these insights to set meaningful goals? Take one small action each day to align with your potential, whether it's refining a skill, building a habit, or simply staying mindful of your path. Remember that success is not just about achieving wealth or recognition. It's about living a life that feels fulfilling and purposeful. Your birth date may hold a spark of potential, but it's your hard work, passion, and persistence that turn that spark into a flame. What's your story? Now, I want to hear from you. Does your birth date resonate with the insights we've shared today? Let us know in the comments. Your thoughts might inspire someone else. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more intriguing topics like this one. And remember to share this video with friends who might find their own birth date story just as fascinating. Thank you for watching, and may your journey towards success be as unique and powerful as the date you were born.